What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is "She Thought Acting Like a 3-year-old Would Save Her from Jail." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Client to desperate in the matter of seconds.
Hey.
Who is that?
What?
Who is that? Hi.
Are you trespassing here?
No.
What's your name?
I was trying to go in the store and buy a black.
Did they tell you no?
Yeah. I can go traveling down there. Just open
What's your name, hon?
Dejanay.
What is it?
Dejanay. But I got a warrant or something?
No, I'm just writing your name down, that's all. It's gonna be this female right here.
Standing right here.
Yeah.
She's Hispanic.
I mean, I haven't gone inside yet, but I'm like, hey, did they tell you not to go inside? And she's like, yeah.
Okay.
So, I'm just gonna double check her anyway now that I can, and then...
Do you have her info?
Yeah.
Did you already talk with her?
314, can I have search?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I was shuffling cards or whatever, so...
No, you're good.
You should me go in and confirm with staff real quick. I guess there's nothing else. They already said it.
Just hold on, let me see if she's got a warrant. She was kind of weird about her birthday.
She's what?
She was kind of weird about her birthday. Yeah, she's got a warrant.
Huh?
She got a warrant.
She got one too.
Yeah. Let's look her up.
She knew she had a warrant. That's why she said, well, what, I got a warrant? She already knew. Come on now. You know when you're doing wrong. You know deep down inside when you're doing wrong.
All right, I'm going to drop
He's
the
a
ball.
random guy.
Why
Hands behind
am
your
I
back.
being
Put your hands
arrested?
behind your back.
Why am I
You got a
being
warrant.
I'm
Just
telling, no, I'm
chill out.
telling.
Stop.
I'm telling on
Stop.
y'all. Could you get
Tell me you
them?
want.
Could you go get my back? No, could you
All right.
find? No, why am I being arrested? I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Could y'all go get
Knock it off.
Could y'all please?
Knock it off. Stop.
Okay, this the 14th
Stop.
time. This the
Stop pulling your arm away.
14th time they done arrested me.
Stop.
Let me go! I can move from the property.
You have a warrant.
I can move from the property.
No,
What
you
do I
have a warrant.
for?
We'll get it
I don't have a warrant every
Stop.
time.
Stop.
Get money off, please. No,
Thank you.
no, Mom,
You're doing too much. Jesus. Would you chill out? Just chill out. You have a warrant. That's it. Walk.
My baby daddy needs to come up
I got more
here.
space. It's all right.
My baby daddy needs to come up here.
I'll let you make a call.
My baby daddy needs to gotta get a make a call in here.
Okay.
My baby daddy needs
Hold
to
on.
come
I wanna
up
check.
here. My baby daddy needs to come up here. My baby daddy needs to come up.
let you make a call.
I can't make a call.
Have a seat.
I'm telling I'm getting.
First call, dude. Like within 4 minutes. Like, thank you for the help. Appreciate it.
Run by us.
What? Oh my God, dude.
And the night shift just got on. You know what I'm saying? They just got started. You like that? First call. You know what I mean? Golly. Come on, man. He was chilling, you know?
Pull away, I'm like, ah.
Yeah, dude. Literally, it's been 4 minutes since I've been on shift. Like, come on.
I'm getting
See,
all
that's
you
what I
officers
said.
arrested. I'm getting all you officers arrested. I'm getting all you officers arrested.
What's it for?
Drug permit.
All right. You got her name?
I'll confirm it to make sure it's good.
I'm gonna start booking.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video. about going to get your baby. Get your baby. Get your baby, please. But you left the baby at the house. Or we just gonna skip that part. Like, like now you worried about the baby. But you left it at the house.
I swear to God, on my mom, on my daddy, on my daddy grave, that's still my mother daddy. No, 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 no.
See, you need your daddy.
No, it's just I'm saying no.
Here, I'll get the window down.
Yeah, let me see if I'll calm her down here. Holy shit!
Somebody please go get my baby daddy.
Would you like to make...
Somebody please go get my baby
I'll let you make a phone call, but you gotta calm down. You wanna... Do you wanna make a phone call? I'm not listening to that.
Listen, we don't understand retard, all right? We don't understand. I'm sorry. I my bad. You can't say that word nowadays. Everybody real sensitive and all that. But hey, listen. I'm like one of them mixed breeds. You feel me? I'm half old school, half new school, man. But we can't speak retard. All right. I don't understand what she talking about. The officer trying to give her a chance here. You know, hey, if you gotta make some, arrangements or whatever to get your child or whatever, and you just sitting here. Come on now. Act like an adult.
Well, stop, go to court.
Stop trespassing here and go to court for your dates. You're a 25. Well, sorry, you don't feel like it. You're 25. Take accountability. Can we just talk with you?
I'm not 25. You don't even write my name down on the pin.
Okay, then what's your birthday?
Act like you write my name down. Yes.
What's your birthday?
Could you look at my
Then tell me what your birthday is.
Yes.
What are you, 24? Okay. I'm just gonna start the whole thing. We're done here. Thanks a lot, bro. Chris, appreciate it, man. Have a good one, bro.
Would you like to make a phone call?
Hey, we'll work with you. But you screaming and you fighting us ain't helping. What? Do you want us to let you make a phone call? All right, we're done.
If we call... Hey, listen. I don't want to charge you as resisting, but if we're gonna keep freaking out, I will. Do you want to be charged with that or not?
Okay, I'm charging with resisting because she was pulling away the entire time. I had to use... No, yeah, you are being charged with resisting. See, now you can talk. Yeah, no, you are. It's over.
She understand that.
Nobody even own your property. Motherfucking pass your motherfucking property. You said sit up here acting like motherfucking on your property. And now you're steady racial profiling me for being black. And they won't even take my name down. They just keep.
You know why? Because you're trespassing.
They won't take my name down. They won't take my name down.
I know.
They just keep writing the apostrophe.
Okay, listen.
On the thing.
But
they keep writing on me. I'm thinking, please go get my baby daddy to come and get me.
how can I do that when you won't even talk to me?
Can you please go get my baby daddy to come get me?
Where is he? You want to call him? Would you like to call him?
This is the 4th, 16th time that it harassed me. This is the 4th, 16th time that it harassed me. Get me out this goddamn handcuffs!
Trespass, resisting,
Is
warrant.
she on the trespass list?
I'm looking right now.
I don't know if they said, but it's her. I just confirmed it. They said she was harassing customers.
They said she was trespassing.
So I went on her. Right, but they said harassing customers, so I went out on her. She gave me her name willingly.
Okay, so at that point, we already had plenty to stop her for the fact that she was harassing people. If you want to confirm whether or not she has what she was saying to
She has
customers,
to be documented at least once for us to charge it with her.
no. If they say that she's been trespassing, that she continues to come back, we're good. I've done it on that, 100%. Just confirm.
So he said that he's not sure if she's been trespassed. She was definitely harassing customers, and he's calling his boss to see if they want her on now the trespass list.
He's not sure if she's already been
She's not
trespassed.
sure, but she was
Okay.
harassing.
Okay, perfectly fine. What was he doing to customers? Did he articulate it or no?
No, she just said she was walking up to customers.
Okay, that's fine. Then we'll do resisting, then we'll do the warrant, and then I'll articulate. I'll take this, unless you want it. Whatever you want. And then either way, I will articulate that she is trespassed. So.
My motherfucking city. I can do whatever the hell I want to. What? No, apparently I can. And what you gonna do? I'm gonna get right out. And I'm gonna get right out.
Yeah, so you can take care of this warrant. Not have to worry about it.
Get right out.
You're welcome.
And I'm gonna get right out. Racist ass. Racist ass.
Okay, you've said that twice. What's your next? Okay, what's the next one?
Racist ass.
All right, now you're just repeating yourself.
Paper. You just write a apostrophe.
You told me to
Very
write.
racist.
Baby daddy! Racist ass! Racist ass! Racist ass!
Gotta always throw the race card in there. No, listen, the cops didn't just show up there. They was called there. They didn't just show up out of nowhere and start harassing you. It was your actions that caused them to be there in the first place. Golly. I feel bad for the baby daddy. You got to deal with this? Oh, boy. Oh, man.
Bet you damn wanna baby!
If the mom act like this, just imagine how the kid act. Ooh.
These racist people! Now come get me out this bitch! Now come get me out this bitch! I'm pregnant right now, and he's steady harassing me. Last time I was sitting there crying, and officers came up. It was 3 officers, and and it's usually
The last thing you need is any more kids, baby. we don't need any more of your offspring in this world. I'm trying to tell you right now.
And they pull up in the van every time, and I'm telling my dad, I'm going home tomorrow. I'm going home tomorrow. I'm going home tomorrow. I'm going home tomorrow. His name Officer Kush, and I knew.
What'd you say?
His name Officer Kush, he keeps trying to me. I wasn't walking. I'm going home to my dad. Yes, I'm finna go home. I'm finna tell him that I'm racial proof. I didn't do anything.
Step out.
I didn't do anything, and I'm telling CP y'all keep putting me in a van.
Okay.
No, I'm telling the CP y'all keep putting me in a van.
Okay.
Yes, they keep putting me in this van. Cause somebody gonna get my baby daddy. And get somebody here to me.
He's trying to make you more comfortable.
I don't see no tears on her eyes. None.
Okay, huh? He'll be out in the morning. Got a warrant. There you go.
Yeah, there's
I got the air on for you, huh? You're okay. Come on. Hot? I got the air on.
Stop!
Nope.
Stop!
She's a great aroma. Thank you.
What's in my car now?
The woman was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and outstanding warrants. If she
And she smell. Oh gosh. man. I get officers. Let's see. I get officers probably a 4. For them to have to deal with that, very satisfied, you know. They tried to help her out. She didn't want to take the help. She just wanted to keep speaking whatever language she was speaking. Hey, it is what it is, you know what I mean?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.